start my show. Oh, even though I thought you pretty last out of mobile.
Hey besties, y'all see what's going on? Yeah, I am about to install this cherry red wig, y'all. I'm so excited, y'all. I have not done red in like a good little minute, so I'm really excited to install this on my head. I've originally worn this wig before, but it was like a platinum blonde type of color. I actually wore it for my birthday, but I got it dyed and it is now a cherry red color, and I believe this is like a 26-inch wig. And y'all, oh my god, why is my camera not focusing? Let's get it together. But anyway, so I'm about to install this wig, y'all. I'm not really gonna be talking that much because I'm gonna try to be focused on installing this wig, and I'm tired and I gotta go to bed, like, cause I gotta wake up early in the morning, y'all. So y'all just gonna come watch me install this wig. Okay, y'all, so I am currently putting some edge stuff on so I could push my edges back and put this wig cap all the way down. And yeah, so y'all just enjoy watching me install this wig and enjoy the music, and I will talk to you guys when y'all get the results.
Let your edge out. To some ice spoke, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing the best in me. I worry that I wasted the best in me. Oh, baby, you don't care. This is urgent. Trying to make some simple change. Me a war in my mind. Gotta let go. When he was holding me to the right, but it will be up in front of me. All the while, I wait my almost favorite. Still wanna try, still believe me. Good days, always always inside. Good.
Feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry. But she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is addicted to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, get a little maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time.
Y'all, it's still some in there though, not too much, but yeah, your girl gotta get some more glue because this stuff is like gone. But I've had this glue for like a good little minute. Like I really have. So it lasted me a good little minute. So it ran its course and it did what it needed to do. But this, it's time for some more.
I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You talking more and with my heart. Didn't think we ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you, but can we know you can tell me how to fuck me up, don't let me down. Slit your wrist, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart's in your hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold you. Take time, gotta trust who I let me trust. Got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You telling more and more, I didn't think you ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you, but can we know you can tell me how to fuck me up, don't let me down. If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling in too deep. That's okay, just rescue me. Let me know what you want from me. Open up, let me in and see, boy. I know where I wanna be. Just wanna know what you're loving me for. Wake me up and let me go. You know I wanna be around. You talking more and more, my heart didn't think you ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Just I wanna drown.
Okay, y'all, so this is not the final look. I actually am going to someone to style it a certain way, and I don't want to do it myself because I don't want to mess it up. So I am going to show y'all that final look tomorrow after it gets styled, and that's going to be the final result. But this is what the install is looking like so far. Yes, it's giving poofy right now because I didn't want to like do too much to it because like I said, it's going to get styled. So anyway, y'all, so my camera cut off because my battery died. I had to change the battery. But yeah, y'all, so this is not the final look. It is poofy. Yeah, I didn't want to straighten it or nothing because I am getting it styled tomorrow. I just wanted to install it on my head. Y'all see, I didn't do no edges or nothing. I didn't cut out no edges, try to do no edges or nothing because I'm going to let her do all that. Okay? Stay with me. Just trust the process, y'all. But yeah, so I'm about to go to bed because it's very late, y'all, and I am tired. I'm sleepy. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. for the final result so y'all can see the style I'm getting. It is gonna be so freaking cute, y'all. Like, I am so excited. But yeah, I'm about to go to bed. Your girl gotta get up early. So yeah, good night, besties.
Going crazy. All eyes on you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.